Hello and welcome everyone to your 7th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Interface Description Part 3. In this tutorial, we will learn a bit more in the detail about our interface. So let's dive right into it. In the last tutorial, we left at the timeline and the CTI. Now, on the right of the timeline, what we have here is the audio master meters. When we play a video or preview it over here, we see the audio level or the sound of the audio on its right. So this measures the level of audio of how loud the audio is, and basically this is kept between -12 to -6 in the Indian standards and can go up to 0, with 0 being the loudest. Now above here we have the workspace. A workspace is a specific setup or layout that we can see of the interface. Currently, the workspace is set to the editing layout that helps us more in editing works. There are many workspaces that you can see: audio, color correction, editing, effects, and meta logging. So let's select the audio, and as you can see, the audio workspace brings up more options for us to work with the audio. As you can see, we can mix up different audios. Here is the master volume, individual audio volumes, and all these came up in the audio mixer panel that just open up in our workspace of audio. Let's just get it back to the editing workspace. Now in this workspace, if you see on right side of the source clip is the effect controls, which helps us to manage any effects that we put inside of our clips. The audio mixer, as you already know. And if you move down here next to the media browser, we have the info, which gives the information of each tracks and the selected item. The effects panel, which contains all the effects and transitions that we can put into our media and sequence. And the history that keeps track of each action that we have performed. For example, right now we have done nothing, but only we have created tutorials, the sequence. So this will keep track of all the actions that you have performed inside the project. So let's just get back as it was. So in order to reset our workspace, you can go to workspace, reset current workspace, and select it, select yes, and then we will revert back to the workspace as it was in default. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.